In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for a Jotform form. First of all, log into your Jotform account. Once you're logged in, hover your mouse over that specific form and click on the More option in front of it. From the drop-down menu, click on Publish Form. You will now be on the publishing page for that form. Here, you'll see a direct link to your form. Before copying the link, click on the settings icon next to it and make sure the form is public so anyone can access it. Once you've confirmed that, click on Copy Link. This link will now be saved to your clipboard and is ready to be turned into a QR code. Since Jotform does not provide an internal QR code generator, you'll need to use an external website. Open a new tab in your browser and search for QR code generator in the search bar. Press Enter and you'll see many results. Some of these are sponsored ads, while others are free tools. Choose any of the free, non-sponsored QR code generators from the list. Once you're on the QR code generator website, select the URL option. In the input field, paste the link you copied from Jotform. On the right side of the screen, you'll see different QR code format options. You can stick with a simple standard design or choose a more decorative one, depending on your preference. Once you've selected the format and design that suits your needs, click on the Download button. Wait a few seconds while the QR code is generated and downloaded to your system. Once it's downloaded, open the image to confirm that everything looks correct. You now have a clean QR code that you can share with others, include in your documents or presentations, or add to any design or PDF you are working on.